Well, it is bigger, it is better, and it is back once again. The Adani Ahmedabad Marathon, it is back for its 9th edition, and you can see all these runners enthusiastically running for that marathon. This is for a great cause. The hashtag for this particular event is Run for Our Soldiers. Now, Ahmedabad Marathon, it is taking place on this picturesque route right next to the Sabarmati river front, and it is one of the most picturesque routes, a running route for all the marathon runners there. In fact, the Ahmedabad Marathon, it is started in the year 2017, and it has just grown bigger and better over the years. It has earned the runners' affection for offering one of the most picturesque routes in the world. As always, the race, it basically consists, the run basically consists of 4 categories. One, the full marathon, the half marathon, a 10-kilometer run, as well as a 5-kilometer run as well. Now, just to give context to our viewers, this entire marathon, the theme of that marathon is hashtag Run for Our Soldiers. It is in solidarity with all the brave hearts who protect our nation, all the armed forces, and in fact more than 3,000 of the armed forces personnel, they are participating in this particular marathon, which is a great thing for a city like Ahmedabad, and it also shows the kind of solidarity that the city and the people of the city have with the armed forces. Now, the best thing about this particular marathon is what you see here, the amount of people, the number of people who have assembled here to participate in this particular event. More importantly, the event is being flagged off by none other than Indian Grandmaster chess player R. Pragnananda along with Mr. Pranav Adani, and we also have on stage there Sayami Kher, another Indian actress who has completed the triathlon, which is one of the toughest triathlons in the world, called the Ironman. The only other actor to have completed that is Milind Soman, and she has in fact become the first Indian actress to do so.
I think it's a great initiative. I think because soldiers are there protecting us, we are able to, sleep peacefully and do our job every day. So I think this is a way that we could give back to them, and so yeah, it's a great initiative, and I'm happy that so many people could come and participate in this initiative, and yeah, it's amazing.
Just to give you context about what this race is all about and how this race in fact started. The race, this particular marathon event, it started in the year 2017. In that particular year, the very first edition, more than 22,500 runners participated in this event, and it has grown. It has grown over the years, and we have come to this point where this year as well, in its 9th edition, the number of runners, it has only grown. This time around, more than 2,000 people are participating in this particular event.